What is good, everybody? Honda riding here. Welcome back to another video. And it's been a while since we've done vlogs. I've been recently just been posting like all footage I recorded, but I decided, you know what, let's just get back into the vlogging and motovlogging. Let's post some videos. Let's get some good content out there. So right now, this is probably gonna be a vlog and motovlog video. Not too sure yet, but right here we have the car. Ooh, baby. And this, the new exhaust on it, which you saw in my other video. We're gonna be taking her for a whip with MotoMcgee. He's probably gonna be the one driving. It's gonna be pretty fun. Got the dirt bike here. Dirt bike, one problem with it. Look over here. It's like super hard to turn. So it's like there. That's not too good. Well, here's our driver right here, MotoMcgee. How do you feel about your car?
Pretty good, pretty good.
He's also the owner. This bad boy right here. We all know this is faster, but you know, we're gonna have to test that. And the snow machine's still blown up, so rip. Let's go back to the car now. Hopefully we can do some motovlogging in this video too, because I've been dying to drive my dirt bike. But if you guys can't tell, we got some VTEC. It's pretty insane. I mean, snap your neck if you give her a little too much beans. Inside the car, you know, just a typical Acura. Cup holder right there. Got the steering wheel. Got the shifter knobby. E-brake right here. Everything you need. Got nice windows. You know. About to whip this thing. Got the gas, brake, and the clutch. And then over here we have this nice screen, which you can see Honda riding, filming with this GoPro. Oh yeah, guys, she's a real beaut. 2 seats in the back, trunk. That's where the spare tire is. Not too shabby. Just ready to whap whap. Probably gonna be taking her for a ride soon, not gonna lie. Yeah, guys, should be a pretty good video. Should be lots of fun. Hope you guys enjoy.
Oh yeah, we may die, I think, from snap loss. Yeah, that's dead. Let's go buy a new piece.
So we're not going for a ride? What? I guess instead of going for a ride, grabbing the trash.